time to do that, but we've got some good days ahead for folks in the high country. The good news is most of this is not going to reach the high country as we go through tomorrow. They will see some breezy conditions, but not nearly as bad as it is to the east right now. We've got heavy rains right along the coast. You can see some of the heavier showers bringing in along with them some gusts right now. This is a powerful coastal low, 38-mile-an-hour winds in Buxton, 33 in Atlantic Beach. We've had reports near Atlantic Beach, right around Fort Macon, of 51-mile-an-hour gusts already this evening, and then 56 right in the Cape Lookout area. You can see Hatteras too dealing with the big waves right now. 9-foot waves to the north, 12-foot waves sort of centered just north and east around that low. So we're going to be dealing with lots of beach erosion, overwash, and a possibility of some inundations. So coastal flood warnings are up all the way down through the coast out toward Charleston, Myrtle Beach area too. So we've got gusts anywhere from 30 to 35 miles an hour, and at times inland we could see 30-mile-an-hour gusts, especially as we climb into the middle of the day tomorrow. So here's the coastal low, and that system is actually going to pivot a little bit farther south and then kind of pull away east as we go through the day tomorrow. So this is what's happening. The scattered showers look to be heavier tonight at the beaches. They wrap inland and move south over Columbia, South Carolina. And notice how that's pivoting away from us throughout the day tomorrow. So this is going to bring us some scattered rain, mainly at the coast. Sandhills also have better opportunities for heavier rain, 3 to 6 inches there. For us, we could see those gusts 30 miles an hour combined with temperatures that are in the 60s. We're in the 60s now, and we're just beginning to see some of those showers peak into the southeastern Piedmont. So areas of southeastern Randolph County near Snow Camp, maybe a couple of sprinkles getting started there, and light rainfall that continues to build. We've got temperatures and maximum highs in those low to mid 60s today. Look at the rainfall through tomorrow. It looks heaviest still at the beaches from tonight through early tomorrow morning. We'll see some of those heavy rounds of rain bringing anywhere from 3 to a total of 6 inches from what they've already had today. Meantime, inland Piedmont, Triad, and Raleigh anywhere from 1/4 of an inch to a 1/2 an inch. Noticing that big jet stream wind speed low that's going to roll through, that trough will help to scoot the system right out of here, and then we settle in with a ridge of high pressure at the surface, keeping us dry and beautiful. But gusts out there forecasting for you as we get you through the next couple of days. They're going to stay breezy. So tomorrow through midday, mid to upper 30s, we expect to see some of those gusts possible in those eastern Triad zones. Rain chances continue to build. You could see 50s and 60s out there through middle of the afternoon. We've got those spotty showers become patchier the farther west they go, and those temperatures also cooling down gradually into the 50s. We'll have 40s going into your early morning on Monday to upper 50s. We still have the winds, so clearing out very quickly. That low is pivoting off the coast. We've got another low that could impact folks in the mid-Atlantic, but right now it does look like we've got 70s returning for your Monday. It's going to be a nice day, so something to look forward to. But tomorrow morning, everything's starting to ramp up between the early morning hours and midday for the best opportunities for rain. Troy, Asheboro, Burlington, you could see closer to those 1/2 inch totals. We get you farther west in the areas like Winston-Salem, Louisville, Yadkinville. Likely you're going to see 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch, and some folks could miss out entirely on the rain. Again, it's late afternoon that we start to see things really winding down. We'll keep your rain chances in play though for the mountains then, and you might see some showers spin your way, at least some more clouds too. Temperatures are going to be fairly comfortable though in the low 60s there. Temperatures in the foothills at 56 degrees in the morning hours. We do bring your rain chances up, but even then they're expected to be patchy. So not a washout tomorrow, even for folks in the Piedmont Triad. We should see some of those rounds of rain straight through the noon hour, and then things start to get more patchy the later we go. We'll keep your rain chances up at about 50%, especially in the eastern Triad, but we'll watch for those bands of rain to bring in some gusts to 30 miles an hour, as we mentioned, and then we start to dry out by late tomorrow evening. All right, we're talking about the tropics. Can you believe we don't have any more systems other than what is trying to form here? This tropical wave getting going south of Cabo Verde. So we're looking right now at the movement northwest at 10 to 15 miles an hour. It's got slow development likely, but within the next 7 days, a 50% chance that it could become another system. We've got remnants of Jerry, of course, officially just moving east, it looks like, of Bermuda, and so non-issue for anyone out there. We're looking forward to that. Take a look at your 4-day forecast. Sparta, Hillsville, and Boone. We dry out too. We've got temperatures on Monday in the upper 60s, low 70s through middle of the week. Foothills also very comfortable. It's warm and upper 70s on the way. Now for the Piedmont Triad tomorrow, we've got gusty conditions. You're going to want to have that poncho ready. The umbrellas might be blowing away out there as we talk about gusts. Could see some tree branches come down too. Heavier rain on the roadways. And if you're traveling, heading out to the coast, you could run into some dangerous flooding. So please be cautious when traveling. Otherwise, a gorgeous October week ahead. 70s near normal on Monday and upper 70s middle of the week.